Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of the important anti-theft security on Android phone that you need to turn on right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. Then on getting to your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in security. Then from here, you have to simply scroll down and go to password and security. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to advanced options. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on extend unlock. Then apply your lock pattern or your passkey. Then extend unlock keep this device unlocked when it is with you. Extend unlock can recognize when you are holding this device, you are near home or another trusted place, your watch or another trusted device is nearby. Simply click on got it. And right here on body detection, you can simply tap on here. So for body detection here, so each time you are with your phone and you are holding your phone with your hand, after you unlock this device, it stay unlocked while it is in a motion. Like when you walk in with it, this device will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until you put it down. So consider turning it on. Keep in mind, on body detection can't distinguish between you and someone else. If someone takes your device while it is being unlocked, they might be able to access it. So you can continue. Then you can go back here and come back to trusted place. Click on trusted place. Then use trusted place for extend unlock. So right here you can consider to simply turn this on so, and you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is one of the important security that you need to turn on as far as anti-theft security on Android phone is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.